Dollar. So again, it's actually up this morning. Imagine that. It was down 0.8% last week, making a big higher low. We get a lot of people have a lot of feelings on other sides of that. Don't forget that everything else that is highly correlated to dollars, including the Bitcoin, went up last week because the dollar went down. So if it goes up at all, I mean, for real, you're going to have a dollar update and you're going to have a gold correction. Oil is not telling you what you want to hear if you don't want to believe it's quad 4 and Q4 and you just got to believe in the stimulus. Don't forget, a lot of people need to believe, want to believe, have to believe. I don't need to believe anything. I mean, it's like anything. I don't have to believe. What I believe is what the oil price is doing right now. It couldn't get above 42, which is trend. As you can see, it's making lower highs and falling more than 1% this morning. Again, the time to be long of oil was from June all the way up until the top of that green arrow. Again, that is the number one thing that really matters to the deflation case. So when you look at last week's probability moving a little bit away from quad 4 and Q4, that's because oil went up. So when oil goes down, the probability of quad 4 rises, okay? China chart. Look at that, straight up, 2.6%. Was it overnight, Jonesy Buds? That works. Okay, so that's a lot better than U.S. stocks, you know, on a daily basis. We like Chinese stocks because we A/B test it, and one, it's bullish trend with volatility, assuming that it's okay to be there, and two, which is quad 2 in China, with the next 2 quarters, quad 1 and quad 1. So that's a good economic setup with the right signal. The volatility is not something that people are forced to chase there.